Okay, Sophrology is literally anytime, anywhere. So I'm just going to enjoy the last few rays of the sun and do a lovely session to finish the day today. So I had a pretty good day. I just want to really relax from any tension from work so I can get ready for this evening at home gently. So my first job, what I'm going to do is just listening to my breath. I'm going to breathe in, and as I'm breathing in, I'm just going to touch my shoulders, and on my out breath, I bring my hands down. And I'm going to do that for a few breaths. So my arms are following my breath. And may find that actually the movement is getting slower, which is absolutely normal. A couple more breaths. And leaving my hands down. And I'm just going to just make sure I'm standing or sitting in a comfortable position. And I'm going to start by taking a body scan through different parts of my body. Starting with my head and my face, and if at any point I was to close my eyes, it's okay. Relaxing my head and my face, paying special attention to the muscles of my forehead, maybe adjusting the position of my eyebrows, smoothing my forehead, remembering to relax those tiny little muscles that you've got at your temples, as well as the muscles of your eyelids, your upper eyelid, your lower eyelid, and maybe just moving your eyes a little behind closed eyelids. Relaxing your cheeks, relaxing your jaw, just letting your jaw be bone down, maybe slightly opening your lips, and relaxing your tongue. Relaxing your neck, carrying just enough tension so that you can hold your head up slightly, and relaxing your throat, but maybe opening it as if you were going to yawn. And if you feel like yawning, it's absolutely okay. Remembering as well that if any thoughts are coming in, it's okay. Just give your brain permission to relax, and you can come back to them later once we've finished. Relaxing your shoulders, feeling the whole width of your shoulders, the weight of your arms, the weight of your hands, the weight of your fingers. Relaxing your chest, maybe noticing if it is moving up and down as you're breathing in and out. Maybe slowing the movement a little bit if you can. Relaxing your back, every single vertebrae gently stacked up, maybe slightly loosening one way or another. Relaxing the ribs, relaxing the muscles between your ribs, your intercostal muscles that help with your breathing, but also all the other muscles in your back, the big ones and the small ones, whether they're near the top or lower down. Relaxing your abdomen, just noticing what it feels like if you let it all hang out, or if you tuck it in, and maybe finding a position that's right for you, in, out, or in between. Relaxing your hips, maybe gently bending your knees, finding a position for your legs, your ankles, and your feet. Noticing the point of contact between your feet and the ground, on your heels, the sides of your feet, the ball of your feet, your toes, maybe moving your toes slightly. Give them a good rest after today. And one big out breath. What we're going to do is just a simple breathing exercise, welcoming a sense of peace and calm, especially as we're ready to enjoy an evening with our family or an evening in bed. Breathing in a sense of peace, giving in a colour as you're holding your breath, and on your out breath, pushing that color all the way through your body. Breathing in a sense of peace, giving it a color, the same or a different one, holding the breath, intensifying the color. And on the out breath, pushing that color even further than the first time. And a third time with a sense of peace. Coloring your whole body from head to toes, every muscle, every cell, your breath. We're going to do the same thing with completion. Completion after a good day's work. Breathing in completion, holding the breath, giving it maybe a color, intensifying it, and pushing that color in your body. Letting the body know that you've completed today's work. A second time, breathing in completion. Let it intensify while you're holding your breath. And on the out breath, pushing it further and further away. It's okay if you notice you're standing slightly differently. Let's do it a third time. Breathing in. Holding that sense of completion, intensifying it. One last push through the whole body, maybe changing your position as your body is enjoying knowing it's completed its work for today. And just pausing here for a second, noticing the position you're in, any sensation, any thoughts that might be coming to mind, and if they're not relevant to what we're doing, we're just letting them go. They can come back to them later. Sensation in the body, the volume, stance, anything. And I'm going to invite you to have your arms parallel to the floor in front of you. Cross one hand above the other. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath, and you're going to uncross your arms on the out breath and open your arms. That's it. We've cut with today's. Hands down by your side. A slightly longer pause. And I'm going to invite you to remember the space you're in, the sounds that you have got around you. Maybe start moving your body in whatever way feels right for you, whether that is shaking, rubbing, tapping, stretching. Oh, and only when you're ready, opening your eyes and coming back fully away. Thank you for joining me for this lovely sunset little Sophrology session. I hope you had a good time and enjoy your evening.